Hi, my name is Joanna Shero. I am your Canva certified creative, and I'm the creator and founder of SavvyChic Design and Savvy Template Shop. And I'm so excited to be back with another tutorial or another tip that you can really use when you are designing a lot of the stuff that you do inside Canva. So one of the key things when we are designing is that we would like to create consistency with the elements, the photos, and all the things that we do when we are designing, whether you're batch designing or you are designing multiple pages inside Canva. And with all the wide array of elements, whether you're a Canva Pro user or a Canva free user, it can really be overwhelming. But I'm going to show you a simple trick on how you can actually find all these amazing elements that are consistent and how I actually get this organized as well. So let's go ahead and dive right in.
Hey, all right. So let's go ahead and show you this amazing trick on how to identify some consistent element, templates, and design, as well as how you can actually organize this one for future reference, right? For your business. All right. So let's go ahead and open an Instagram post. And first thing, we're going to just talk about like templates, elements, and then images or photos so that you'll see how it is that we are doing. All right, the main purpose of this tip is to actually get more same look and feel of the templates that you use or the elements that you use or the imagery that you use, right? So that you can create that consistency of design. So when we choose actually a canvas or a Canva design that is for the size of Instagram, Canva actually provide us a set of options within a certain theme. Like for example, the Lunar New Year Instagram post, winter Instagram post, love post, sports event post, Instagram. So we've actually really labeled it in a way that it is grouped as one so that it's much easier as a recommendation, right? And then it can gives you a lot of option. So one of the key things that you need and the most powerful, I think, tip that a lot of people maybe don't know, or maybe if you're using actually, is this three dots. So you see how when I hover into a design, the three dots that has like the free, if it's a Canva Pro, if it's a free version template that you can actually use for your business. And then here's the thing. When you actually, let's go ahead and say, let's do podcasts, right? You'll actually see a certain look and feel that you would like for your business or for like your podcast. And when you're doing a set of podcasts or a set of design, there's actually a certain theme that you would like to work with. So when you are using the three dots, it actually let you see whether that template, who is it from, and then also you can actually click and view more coming from that creator. So there is actually what you call a Canva creator. I am one of the Canva creator. That means I design templates for Canva and it's actually visible in your library. So for example, you like this type of podcast post look and feel, and you want to see whether this creator has actually have more the same look and feel that you can use for your post. And you'll see that everything is here. You see how there is like a certain theme, the look and feel, a certain consistency, maybe one or two. And you'll really find that there are other creators that actually really work within a theme. And as of now, there's no easier way to really type in the name of the creator except for the brand that is here on the search button. So you can actually really collect all of this if you like. Maybe do your own library or you do your own organization. You can really do that one. It kind of just helps you a lot as well. So just like that one. So let's go ahead and type podcast still. And then look for other look and feel, and you can just really hover and see whether they have a bunch of things that you can use. So you see how like it makes sense, right? That is like the same tone or the same look and feel, or like they really have a certain theme that they're working on. So you see how this are like within this creator has actually really done it within the blues and everything, and it really gives you a lot of uniformity and possibility. So let's say we like this brand, We kind of just like also like some of the closer looks that is being made by this creator, right? So it really just gives you a lot of things, a lot of possibilities coming from that creator. It's much easier to really find because you'll really see like, okay, this creator is using some uniformity when it comes to, you see the font, and let's see if that is, yes, this font, the title is still the same. So you see, the color blues are the color brown, sorry, are like the same as well, right? So there's really like similarities that create the consistency that you would like. And that's one thing that you also would like. I know you can select from multiple types of templates, but it's really having that, you know, that certain look and feel and across your templates that you grab from Canva makes it much easier. So that's how what you do when it comes to finding a template and finding it from a certain creator. Now let's go ahead with elements. So normally what do you do if you click on elements, you are going to be having like graphics, and at times there will be what you call like featured graphics. I usually go to featured graphics because these are like the highlighted graphics of Canva, and there are some designs that I really look as well, and you'll see that what if you like this type of design, right? You like this type of design and you would like to have more of this elements. So this is what you, the same thing that you do. And Canva actually has a feature of the magic recommendation. You can actually select all, and then everything will pull out. You see how you have all of this element, and this is view my Sketchify. So that is from Sketchify, that is the creator of this elements. Now for example, I don't actually need this one right now in my graphics, but I kind of want to make sure, and I kind of want to make sure I want to use them for future reference. So how can you actually do that one? So I am going to do it in, I'm gonna click right click right now, and the three dots, and then it will say, right, Sketchify from Sketchify. And then you have here the option at the bottom, you have star, report, see more, and view collection. If you have this option, you can actually view collection, and then you'll see all the collection within that same set. So you see how there's like a set here. Now it's a little bit tricky right now because it's not really organized in a way. It's like, you know, digging into a lot of things. So this is why it's so nice to have this step that you can use for your, for organizing this type of amazing treasures that you can find inside Canva. So what I do is that I actually create a star. All right, I star that one. I'm gonna star this one too. I'm just gonna see, okay, I'm just gonna go and do maybe 6 of this star because I would like you to all see that. All right, now when you do that star, you'll see that there is a pop-up over here. It says start and then view. I can click on that view, and then you see how it all is here now on my starred option in my left side. It will pop up. Now, when you click on the three dots, all right, when you click on the three dots, that's where the add to folder option is available. So now I'm going to say, okay, I want to organize. I want to say, I want to create, oops. So let's go project. All right, so let's go project. It will allow you then to have a create new. So maybe I'm going to say elements from right, I hope I spelled that correctly, from Sketchify. So for example, and I'm going to add that to my folder. And then I'm going to go ahead and do that again. I'm just going to type in, right, elements, add to folder. Now, why am I adding it to folder? Because if not, if I still put a star on everything, it will be a mix of different elements, pictures, and everything. So once it's starred, then I can put it in a folder. So isn't that an amazing like organizing and really just putting it all together? It really just helps a lot. So we already have that 4, right? Now, On the images as well, it goes the same thing. So for example, we go to photos, and then let's just say we would like skincare, right? And we would like to find like some images that, oh, I kind of love how it looks and feel. I kind of want to see if this photo has other set of collection that I can save or can use for reference. So the same thing that you'll do, you'll see three dots, and then you'll see that this is from Anna from Pixels. That will be another option. Now, if it's from Pixels, it will actually be a combination from different other creators or contributors from that from that site, right? But let's go ahead and find someone that is really independent. So here you'll see View More by Floral Deco. I love the collection of Floral Deco. So you'll see how there is really just beautiful collections that you can find. And if you also want to get organized, you can do the same thing that I did as well. But let's go ahead and try to do the three dots, and then you'll see everything, and then you can star it, right? And then you can maybe star another image that is within the look and feel that you kind of want. So you see how there's like this also is the same as the one on top over here. And let's see if there's some other things that we have. I love doing designs from this collection as well. So there's like some summer. So I'm just going to star that one for future reference. I love the mock-up that I actually see. So I'm going to go and star that one again. And then when I click on view here, so you see how the start actually is going to be still going to be random elements, photos that you have starred. But if you would like, you can then always click on that, move the folder. And I believe I have the floral folder. No, I don't have. So I'm going to go ahead and create one. Oops, I'm going to go to project and then create, and then I'm going to show Floral Deco. All right. And then I'm just going to go ahead and add a folder again. And then add a folder again. So it just gives me more organization if I want to revert back on those elements, right? It's just creating a more organized folder for me. And then when I go and look at my folders, I then have that one in one place. So as you can see, I have my Sketchify element. That's an option for me. And then, for example, I'm going to have Floral Deco. I have those options for me. So it really gives much more organization. Now, for example, if you're here in your hub and if this should be able to be seen at your end as well, you should be able to see folders or currently right now I do have the project, but you'll see that there is the starred here. You can also go through here if you want to look where are those elements that you have collected as well. So that is how easy it is to find some amazing elements that you can use for your design, amazing templates coming from a certain creator, a certain elements coming from a certain contributor of Canva to make it more seamless when you are designing your graphics inside Canva.
All right, so I hope you actually enjoyed that simple way of gathering all of these amazing elements from all my fellow creators and who have been providing us some amazing elements from photos to to graphics that you can really use for your business. Again, my name is Joanna. I'm the creator and founder of SavvyChic Design and Savvy Template Shop, and you can always check me out at SavvyChicDesign.com. I'll see you next time. Bye.